But performance isn't limited just to the engine or transmission. This Eleanor features a sophisticated suspension layout, combining classic Mustang roots with modern handling upgrades. Independent front suspension and a solid yet refined rear setup work together to provide crisp steering, composed cornering, and confidence-inspiring road manners. Whether darting around town or tackling winding back roads, underfoot upgraded four-wheel disc brakes provide superior stopping power, an essential upgrade for a vehicle of this caliber and capability. The exterior of this Mustang wraps all this performance in a body that demands attention, often finished in a pepper gray, metallic paint or similar custom hue, with contrasting racing stripes down the center. This car's aesthetic echoes the film versions. Menacing presence, but with premium fit and finish. Every panel is laser straight thanks to the Rotisserie rebuild, and the body gaps are consistent and polished, signs of top-tier craftsmanship. Classic fastback lines still define the silhouette, but Eleanor styling cues, such as fog lamps, hood scoop, and aggressive wheel arch flares, elevate it beyond ordinary fastback styling. ClassicDigest.com. Stepping inside, you're greeted by an interior that blends vintage flavor with modern comfort and tech. Seating, often a combination of custom leather and performance ergonomics, holds you in place whether you're cruising on a sunny Sunday or launching hard from a traffic light. The dash typically mixes classic analog style with updated digital gauges, providing both period charm and functional clarity. Retro sound audio systems, velocity gauges, and polished wood or Shelby style steering wheels add layers of character and authenticity, showing that this interior was crafted both for comfort and performance enjoyment. Auto-evolution. Part of what makes an Eleanor tribute truly unique is the attention to immersive detail. In the original film, the car was a star, not merely a backdrop, and today's builders honor that through features like custom roll cages for safety and structure, side exit exhausts that scream with emotion under throttle, and nostalgic toggle switches that echo 1960s cockpit vibes. A vintage-style air conditioning system ensures modern comfort, while audio and lighting systems integrate quietly into the classic package. Auto-evolution. This Mustang's powertrain and chassis also feature refinements that serious drivers appreciate. High-capacity cooling systems, precision electronics, modern wiring harnesses, and quality fuel delivery systems ensure reliability and ease of maintenance. Gone are the days of finicky carburetors or temperamental ignition. EFI and contemporary electronics make starting, driving, and living with this car thoroughly enjoyable, even on longer journeys or cooler nights.